In this video, we will learn how to pick image color online. Firstly, search for getimagecolor.com and open the website. Make sure it is getimagecolor.com. Now start by clicking on the image you see on your screen. As you can see, when I'm hovering, I can see the current color of the image, and when I click, the image color name appears on the right sidebar. You can click on any part of the image to pick the specific color, so you will get the exact color name and hex code as well. You can see RGB, CMYK and HSV colors code as well. You can also choose your own image by clicking here where it says choose file and choose any screenshot or image to pick the color. Now I will start by clicking on this image, and you can see the color names are appearing on the right sidebar. It's a simple tool, yet very helpful for designers and developers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more.